Well, now that there are parts out for this, I'm finally getting around to opening this up. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Welcome to this unboxing of this Axial Capra UTB18 18 scale version of the Capra. Now I've had this for probably half a year now, and I just haven't opened it up because I was waiting for the aftermarket to kind of come in before I do anything with it. Now that the 18 scale scene, or the micro scene overall, is getting pretty big with a lot of aftermarket companies jumping in, I felt it was about time for me to get started on this project. Now, the 10th scale Capra is one of my favorite rigs. It's so capable and is like the ideal rig to bring anywhere you go where you don't know what you're going to crawl, but still have something capable. Hopefully, which is my my motivation for picking up this 18 scale Capra, is to have the same kind of thing, just without the need for bringing a 10 scale rig everywhere. The 18 scale seems a little bit more manageable to bring wherever I want to go. Of course, I still have my 24th scales that I like, that I kind of want to start getting into, but something like a Capra where you can flip it without worrying about tumbling because of the cage, this looked like something that might be good for that. Alright, let's take a look at the box. The UTB18, it comes as an RTR, and it does come in two different colors, the orange and the black. In my case, I picked up the black. I didn't really want the gray cage. The orange comes with a gray cage. The black one comes with a black cage. Alright, let's take a look at some of the things on the box. So you can see the orange. If you like the Fox livery, then maybe the orange and gray are for you, but the livery doesn't really matter for me. I'll probably end up repainting the panels anyway. You can see some of the things that the UTB18 comes with. It's got a 380 can sized motor. It's a 37 turn. It's got their Spectrum servo and transmitter. You know, your basic RTR stuff. Nothing really to write home about, but that's what Horizon branded stuff usually comes with. Like the Capra, it comes with the LED light bar. It's also got an interior, and it's a tube chassis based design. Alright, so you can see here the front and rear portal axles. It's got portals as well, just like the big guy. Adjustable shocks. I don't know if they're oil filled. Let me see. They are oil filled, so they are oil filled shocks, and they've got licensed tires and wheels. It's a 4-link suspension setup, so just like the 10th scale. Look, this panel here doesn't show much. Just some more marking material. And here you can see the two different colors that the UTB18 comes with. And you can see I picked up the black version. Alright, so let's get around to breaking the seal and opening this rig up. First thing to come out is the Spectrum transmitter. Let's take a look at this here. Basic transmitter. I'm not sure how many batteries this takes, but let's take a look. Looks like it takes 4 batteries that go in the handle, 4 AA's. Now what does it have here? It's got the steering trim and steering rate dials. It is an analog controller. It's got throttle limiting, so it does allow you to limit the throttle for younger kids, and steering reverse right there. Really tiny radio, no frills. Okay. Here is the charger. It's your usual USB charger for micro scale rigs or smaller scale rigs, especially RTR ones. Here's your manual, UTB18 Capra manual. It does come with batteries for the radio. Cool. Traxxas didn't give batteries for the radio. It's kind of nice that they at least include batteries for the radio so that you can get going right away. I mean, basically all you gotta do is charge up the LiPo battery or whatever battery this comes with and put these batteries in. Comes with extra hexes and some tools. Alright, and here is the UTB18. Let's go free this from its cardboard cage and take a closer look. Alright, the UTB18 is freed from its cardboard cage, and it does just basically look like a smaller Capra. Pretty cool. Take a look at it. Does seem to ride kind of high. I'm probably going to try to see if I can lower it a little bit. And let's see, how do we open this? Is this a flip open or is this... Oh, it's a flip open, just like the 10 scale. So you flip it open and there is the battery right here. So it comes with a 650 milliamp 2S battery right there. And it's just put in this tray right here, and this hood basically just clips closed right there. Shocks feel pretty nice. Just it might be a little bit too tall or long for my liking. The tires, there's no foams in the tires. It's basically just the tires. So I'll try it out. We'll see how it goes. I do have an aftermarket set of wheels and tires that I'd like to put on. What do you think of these? These are the Pro Line Class 0 crawlers. Yeah, that might look pretty good, right? We'll see. Pretty similar in size. Anyway, fuel cell right here. Scale fuel cell. I think there's probably electronics in there, just like the 10 scale. On-off switches right here in the back. Now, along with the light bar, the UTB18 also has these two rock lights right here, which is kind of cool. So it's got some extra lighting. Pretty cool. I actually can't wait to get this out and run it. I mean, the Capra is one of my favorite rigs. I'm hoping that I can get this to the point where it kind of gives me the same kind of vibes that the 10 scale Capra does. A bring anywhere, go anywhere rig to crawl anything you want. But that's about it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Axial Capra UTB18. Thanks for watching.